and a special appearance by an old friend, Norfolk and Western 484 number 611. Built in 1950, the N&W Class J 484s represented the pinnacle of steam locomotion. The only one of its class to survive the scrapper's torch, it was returned to service between 1982 and 1994 as part of the modern Norfolk Southern Railroad's excursion program. On this occasion, 611 was on a one-way, no-passenger move, taking its excursion train from Cincinnati, Ohio to Columbus via Portsmouth. Until Portsmouth, the passenger train is actually being pulled backwards. These scenes were taped just a few weeks before Norfolk Southern announced an abrupt end to its excursion program, so this was the last time that the locomotive ever operated over this trackage, which it had traversed countless times in regular service.